But the one I'm trying to sort out at the moment is the video on sorting out the rumble, actually the physical reason for the rumble. And the physical reason is that the motor's spinning so damn fast. Damn. Yeah, it's really, the motor, it sounds like it's trying to cut its way out of the box, which is not so good. If you think about it, when you've got a belt drive turntable and you alter the speed of the motor, you go from 33 to 45. It's not very much. It's a 30% increase. Then you go from 45 to 78. You're talking about 90% increase in speed, aren't you? You're almost doubling it. And so it goes zzz, and the motor, it sounds like it's trying to cut its way out of the box.